What's up, guys? Drop a line in the chat on who we got tonight. So I've been doing mosaic breaks for the last 2 months straight. This is my first thing that's not mosaic in the last 2 months, so kind of excited for that. Change it up a little bit. What's up, Jeffro? Another Go Pack Go. I like that. Dolphins, Rams, Johnny Priest. See, I just got done doing a 20 hanger. I'm also doing a full case 20 blaster contenders tonight as well, later. Those listings are still up on eBay, so if you guys want in on that action. If you do win teams in that one, shoot me a message and I can combine shipping from the 2 breaks. Yeah, I'm excited to see what's in these. There's 1 auto and 2 memorabilia in each, so we'll be getting 3 autos and 6 memorabilia cards. We'll see what else is in them. All right, let's get to it. We got 112 cards in each one, so we're looking at 336 cards. A lot of packs. All right, I'll open up 7 at a time, I guess. So yeah, there's season tickets. There's all the different variations. Let's go Ravens. All right. Well, we're going to start the night off with a Herbie. Hopefully that's a good sign. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. Got the Herbie. Mark Andrews. Nelson Aguilar. Dak. Big Ben. Randall Cobb. Our first memorabilia is a rookie ticket. Ian Book. Going to the Saints, obviously. We have an Andre Johnson Gladiators. Juju. These are all upside down. Season ticket, David Johnson. Derrick Henry. Cooper Kupp. Sam Darnold. Michael Thomas. Mari Cooper. Rookie of the Year, Tutu. That did not happen. Come on, focus. Drew Lock. Russell Wilson. Jonathan Taylor. Kyler. I hate how these are all over the place. Josh Allen. Jacoby Myers. Zeke. Chain Movers. Devontae Adams. Tua. Claypool. Carson Wentz. Scary Terry. Aaron Donald. DJ Moore. Alvin Kamara. We will flip a coin for this one. Josh Palmer. De'Ami Brown. Flip a coin for that at the end. Got a Derek Carr, C-Mac, Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, DK, Shark, Hopkins. We have a playoff ticket. Is that the Tebow game? That is the Tebow game. I'll go to the Broncos, playoff ticket. Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, J.J. Watt, Devontae Parker, Joe Burrow. T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson. We have a insert, legendary contender, Steve Young. T. Higgins, Marcus May, Chase Young, Ruggs, Cleo Mack, Danny Dimes, Von Miller, and we have a Chris Jones Power Players. And that first half of box 1. Yeah, I bet it does. What an insane game that was. Demarius Thomas, 80 to the house, right? Tebow was just awful that game before that, wasn't he? Was he running around a bunch? Actually, I think, no, maybe he actually was decent before that. Pass. This pack feels thick. All right. Second half of Mega 1. Joe Mixon, Jamison Crowder, Devontae Adams, Josh Jacobs. Right. Darnell Mooney, Saquon. Nice. Trey Lance getting the jersey. Rookie ticket. Nice hit for the Niners. We have ETN, Trevor Lawrence. So that will be going to the Jags. Won't have to flip a coin for that one. Allen Robinson, Kenny Galladay, Swift, Kittle, Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, Justin Jefferson, Chain Movers, Darren Waller, Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins, Baker, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, Gronk. Is that going to be the auto? Tom Kennedy. What? Who? Hopefully that's the worst of the 3 autos we're getting. Tom Kennedy is even on the lines? Anybody? Anybody? There's a Rookie of the Year, Kenneth Gainwell. Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, Hawkinson, Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill. There's a Supernaturals, Lamar. Rodgers, Tom Brady, Kelsey, Lamar, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Antonio Gates, Contenders. Legendary. Thielen, Chubb, Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio, Bosa, Stephon Diggs. Power Players, Chris Carson. A.J. Brown, Stafford, White, Damian Harris. Mike Evans, Honey Badger, Hollywood Brown, and MVP Contenders, Jalen Hurts. I like the Supernatural cards. Auto, Tom Kennedy. Feels like a made-up name. No, I don't think so. We just finished the first Mega. I don't think there was any. No Davis Mills, I know that. The auto we pulled was a Tom Kennedy, rookie for the Lions, apparently. Never heard of him. We did hit a Trey Lance jersey. That's about it so far. All right. Miles Sanders. Corey Davis. Come on, these cards are all over the place. Hate that. Jair, Godwin, Keenan Allen, Hawkinson. There's a Justin Fields rookie ticket jersey. Nice, got a Trey Lance and a Fields now. Gladiators, Nick Chubb. Diggs. Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady. Kelsey, Lamar, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, MVP Tua. Hollywood Brown, Thielen, Chubb, Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, Joey Bosa. Playoff ticket for the Vikings, Stephon Diggs, Minnesota Miracle. Randall Cobb, A.J. Brown, Stafford, White, Damian Harris, Mike Evans, Honey Badger. There's a Devontae Smith, Jalen Waddle. We'll flip a coin for that one. Either Eagles or Dolphins. Michael Thomas, Mari Cooper, Herbie. Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak, Big Ben, Chain Movers, Curtis Martin. Jacoby Myers, Zeke, Juju, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Cooper Kupp, Darnold. Rookie of the Year contender, Ian Book. DJ Moore, Kamara, Drew Lock, Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler, Josh Allen. Hey, there we go. There's a Supernaturals Mac Jones. Nice hit for the Patriots. All right, here we go. Second half of the second box. McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, DK, Shark, Nook, Kyle Pitts. Getting some nice jersey patches. Kyle Pitts on that one. There's a Mac Jones, Najee Harris. Flip a coin for that one. It's a nice one to flip a coin for. James Harrison, J.J. Watt, Devontae Parker, Joe Burrow. T.Y. Gibson, Derek Carr. Playoff ticket. Oh no, Terrell Davis. As a Packer fan, I remember that. Super Bowl. Chase Young, Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Danny Dimes, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett. Is this going to be the auto? Maybe the autos we've never heard of. Chris Rumpf. Another rookie I've never heard of. Chris Rumpf, one of the Chargers. Russ, Jared Goff, Jimmy G, LaVisca, Matt Ryan, Jasecki, T. Higgins, Marcus May. There's a Bobby Wagner, power players. Jefferson, Mixon, Crowder, Devontae Adams. Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, Barkley, Rashad Bateman, Rookie of the Year. Gronk, Allen Robinson, Kenny Galladay, Swift, Kittle, Mahomes, Calvin Ridley. Here's a Mahomes Chain Movers. Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins, Baker, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, and winning ticket, Mahomes. So the two autos have been Tim Kennedy and Chris Rumpf. Nice jersey patches, though. All right, box 3. All right, we'll do one at a time here. One at a time for the last box. Danny Dimes, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, J.J. Watt, Devontae Parker, Burrow, and a Cam Chancellor. Gladiators. T.Y., Gibson, Derek Carr, McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, DK, and a Josh Allen MVP contenders. DJ Shark, Hopkins, Tua, Claypool, Carson Wentz, Scary Terry, Aaron Donald, and a Power Players Eddie George. He used to be one of my favorite players back in the day. DJ Moore, Alvin Kamara, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler, Josh Allen, and a legendary Barry Sanders. Another one of the GOATs. Jacoby Myers, Zeke, Juju, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Cooper Kupp, Sam Darnold, and there's a supernatural Trey Lance. Michael Thomas, Mari Cooper, Herbie, Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak, Big Ben, and a Amon-Ra St. Brown with a Chuba. Flip for that one. Randall Cobb, A.J. Brown, Stafford, Tre'Davious White, Damian Harris. Mike Evans, and we have a rookie ticket, Des Fitzpatrick, one of the Titans. Chain movers, Dalvin Cook. Honey Badger, Hollywood Brown, Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, Cox, Cooks, Julio, and a Trey Lance, Rookie of the Year contender. Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Kelsey, Lamar, Dalvin Cook, and a Mike Vrabel. Power players. Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, Hawkinson, and a Derek Carr MVP contenders. Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins, Baker, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, and a Tom Brady Gladiator going to the Buccaneers. 3 left. There should be an auto. Probably maybe in this one. Gronk, Allen Robinson, Kenny Galladay, Swift, Kittle, Mahomes. Oh, it's points. So we only got 2, and then we got the points. Winning ticket, Darren Waller, And we got 400 points. Actually, not bad, 400. We'll randomize that one shortly. So no third auto. We got the points instead. That sucks. Calvin Ridley, JJ, Joe Mixon, Crowder, Devontae Adams, Josh Jacobs, Mooney, and Allen Robinson. Chain movers. And there should be a jersey in this one. Saquon, Jared Goff, Jimmy G, LaVisca, Matt Ryan, Jasecki. We got a Josh Palmer Rookie of the Year. And, Zach Wilson rookie ticket. Oh, we got some nice rookie tickets. All right. Let's flip a coin for a few of the cards. First one up, we'll do heads for Chuba, tails for St. Brown. A quarter here. It's heads. Come on, focus. Heads. Chuba getting that one. We'll do the heads, Devontae Smith, tails, Jalen Waddle. It's also heads. Come on, focus. Man, the camera doesn't want to focus on the coins. Hey, you can see it good enough. So that's going to Devontae Smith. We have a Josh Palmer, De'Ami Brown. Also heads. 3 heads in a row. I'll go to Josh Palmer. And the last one, we got Mac Jones and Najee Harris. Who's going to get this one? Also heads. Got 4 heads in a row. Mac Jones. Going to get that one. All right. We'll do a review, and then we'll randomize those points. All right, so we had the Mac Jones, Najee Harris. We had the 3 other ones we flipped for. Tom Brady Gladiators, Trey Lance Rookie of the Year, winning ticket Mahomes. We had the ETN Trevor Lawrence, Supernatural Lamar. We had a Supernatural Trey Lance, Auto Chris Rumpf, Supernatural Mac Jones, Auto Tom Kennedy. Some nice jerseys. We had a Zach Wilson, Des Fitzpatrick, Kyle Pitts, Justin Fields, Trey Lance, Ian Book. Very nice. And hold on a sec. I'll bring up the wheel to spin here. All right. Back over here. What's going on here? Why is the wheel looking like messed up? Uh-oh. There we go. All right. It's going to do that again? Why did it do that again? $18. So alphabetical order. I believe that would be the Chargers. Yep, Chargers. Chargers are getting the 400 points, which I think equals out to about $25. It should be somewhere around that area. $20, $25. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. Like I said, I'm doing a full case 20 blaster at 10 o'clock, so an hour from now. So those listings will start ending here in a minute. So if you guys do win some teams in that, shoot me a message and I can combine shipping. All right. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.